Our lesson today about how to divide mixed numbers. Listen to this video and look carefully.
The essential understanding for this lesson is the quotient of mixed numbers can be found by writing the mixed numbers as fractions and multiplying the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Previously, students used the standard algorithm for dividing fractions. They have also written mixed numbers as fractions. In this lesson, students divide mixed numbers by writing them as fractions and applying the standard algorithm for dividing fractions. This problem is key because it involves dividing mixed numbers. Students are prompted to use what they know about solving problems with fractions to find the answer. Listen and look for students who use a model to solve this problem. First, they represent 5 1/2 inches using fraction strips for eighths. Then, they rewrite the divisor 1 3/8 as the fraction 11/8. Finally, they count the groups of 11/8 in 5 1/2. Since there are 4 groups, they have found that the jeweler will make 4 pieces. Listen and look for other students who use the algorithm for dividing fractions. These students start by rewriting each mixed number as a fraction. Then, they use what they already know about dividing by fractions to rewrite the division problem as a multiplication problem. Dividing by 11/8 is the same as multiplying by 8/11. Finally, they multiply to find that the jeweler will make 4 pieces of wire. Regardless of the strategy used, these students show an understanding of how to apply what they know about division with fractions to find the quotient of mixed numbers. This will help them in the remainder of this lesson and in later lessons, where they will evaluate algebraic expressions involving fractions and mixed numbers.
Okay, now for more understanding, look and listen for this video.
How can you find the quotient of mixed numbers? Think about this question during the lesson. Damon has 37 1/2 inches of space on his car bumper that he wants to use for bumper stickers. How many short bumper stickers can he fit side by side on his car bumper? Find 37 1/2 divided by 6 1/4. Step 1. Estimate using compatible numbers. Why is it important to estimate first? It is important to estimate first to get a sense of whether your solution is reasonable. 36 divided by 6 equals 6 is the best estimate with compatible numbers. So 37 1/2 divided by 6 1/4 is approximately equal to 6. Why were compatible numbers used in this situation? Rounding would have resulted in 38 divided by 6, which is not easy to compute mentally. Step 2. Write each mixed number as a fraction. How do you write 37 1/2 as a fraction? Explain your steps. Multiply 37 by the denominator, 2, which is 74. Then add the numerator to the product. 1 plus 74 equals 75. Write the sum, 75, over the denominator, 2. Use a similar method to write 6 1/4 as a fraction. Use the reciprocal of 25/4 to write a multiplication problem. Since 6 is the estimate, the quotient is reasonable. Damon can put 6 short bumper stickers on his car bumper. Now you know how to find the quotient of mixed numbers.
Okay, now we move to the practical part. See you. Hi guys, now the practical part. Our lesson today about how to divide mixed number. The previous lesson about how to estimate the quotient of mixed number or how to divide, then we estimate the answer. Now we find the quotient without estimate. Okay, before we divide the two mixed number, we must convert each fraction to improper, each mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, look at your book, page 625, question number 11. To convert this one to improper fraction, we multiply 1 times 8. Then we add the answer to the numerator. 1 times 8 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And the denominator doesn't change, 9 over 8. Divide 4 times 8, the same way. 4 times 8 equal 32. Then we add the answer to the numerator. 32 plus 1 equal 33 over 8. Okay, now we write the first equation without any change. Then we make divided multiply, and we write the reciprocal of 33 over 8. It will be 8 over 33. Now we can cancel 8 with 8, and the remainder will be 9 over 33. Okay, this is the answer. But we can simplify the answer by dividing each numerator and denominator by a number. Okay, what is the number can be divided? What is the number? Okay, common between 9 and 33. Yes, 3. We can divide 9 by 3, it will be 3, and the 33 divided by 3 equals 11. So the answer equals 3 over 11 or 9 over 33. Okay, number 14. Okay, the first, convert the mixed number to improper fraction by multiply 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11 over 2. Divide 7 times 5, yes, 35 plus 2, 37 over 5. Now we write the first fraction without any change. Okay, multiply. Okay, here's the reciprocal. We inverse the fraction, it will be 5 over 37. Now we multiply 2 times 37. 2 times 7 equal 14, 4 and up 1. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1, 7. And the numerator 5 times 11 equal 55. Okay, number 5, 1 divided by. Okay, 8 times 9, that's 72, plus 5, 77 over 9. Now we write 1 multiplied by, yes, 9 over 77. If the number hasn't any denominator, the denominator equal 1. Okay, now 1 times 9 equal 9, and 1 times 77 equals 77. Number 11, 7 times 4, yes, 24, plus 3, 27, over 4. Divided 1 times 8, yes, 8 plus 7, 15, over 8. The first fraction, the same, and multiply, we inverse 8 over 15. Now 8 times 7, 56, 6 and up 5. 8 times 2 equals 16, plus 5 equal 21. And the 4 times 15 equal 60. The answer is 216 over 60. Okay, here 2 times 8 equal, the last one, 2 times 8 equals 16, plus 5 equal 21 over 8 divided by 13. 21 over 8 multiply. We said if the number hasn't any denominator, the denominator equals 1. When we inverse this fraction, it will be 1 over 13. Now 21 by 1 equal 21, and 8 times 13, 8 times 3 equal 24, 4 and up 3, 4 and up 2, 8 times 1 equals 8 plus 2 equals 10, equal 104. Thank you and goodbye.